Today, I'll guide you through the basic algorithm scripting section of FreeCodeCamp's legacy curriculum, JavaScript algorithms and data structures certification. So we're going to click on that. We're going to navigate to the basic algorithm scripting section. And we're going to start on the first problem. So I'll guide you through solving the challenges and explain my thought process. It looks like we need to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. It looks like they already give us the formula and they give us the Celsius. We just need to figure out the Fahrenheit. Additionally, it looks like they already defined a variable and labeled it Fahrenheit inside the method. So they just want us to figure out the Fahrenheit and reassign the new value back to the Fahrenheit variable here. So we're gonna reassign the variable, right? So we're gonna reassign the Fahrenheit variable. We're gonna have two parentheses there because we need to first multiply the Celsius times 9 divided by 5, and then we need to add 32 to that. And I know they already defined the Fahrenheit variable here, but I think it is more readable to just either reassign it here, or we could just also just move this. Actually, that might be better. We could actually just move this right here and delete the reassignment. That would be fine too. This is more readable, in my opinion. And everything looks good. If we submit, it should all check out. Perfect. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again.